In in this picture, I have perceived that three persons. Rohan was a 20 years old man, and 22 and his wife 23 years old woman. All are in positive mood. They had a daughter, and she was 18 years old. Nowadays, the business of Rohan is very badly affected. So she decided to stop the coaching class of her daughter, and so to hear this, her wife convinced him, and at the meantime their daughter heard this from the behind. Then she convinced her father and started working hard for and reading. At last, she achieved her goal by hard working and meditation. So she became a top girl from her class.
Next.
Good morning, gentlemen. I have perceived three characters in the pictures: two female, one male, mood positive, age 30 to 55. The theme of my picture is discussing about sister marriage. Anil was a serving soldier. He had three sisters. His mother was discussing about the marriage of her third younger sister. Two were already married. Anil convinced his mother that firstly, Ritu should completed her B.Ed because she was pursuing B.Ed and stand on her feet. After we will think about his marriage. Her mother convinced with her. Ritu did her B.Ed and work hard and get selected father teacher. Thank you.
Friends, in my story, there are two characters mainly, one female of approximately 50 years of age and a male of approximately 25 years of age. Both were in neutral mode. So Abhishek was studying in his room while he heard a few noises coming from outside. He went out and he observed that a drunk man had entered into building compound and he was misbehaving with the neighbors. So he was about to go out to reprimand him and escort him outside the building compound, but his mother held him and told to be polite, handling him. He understood his mother and he went out, held that drunk man by his hand and escorted him outside and latched the door of building compound. And he also warned that man not to uh, misbehave and come back to the area seen around. Thank you.
Discuss.
So, friends, since in the photo it was clearly evident that there was a lady who was trying to stop the person from some action. So let's make a story such a way that that this person be the son of a mother who's trying to do some action from which her mother must be advising to hold back for his good.
Yeah, gentlemen, I am agree with you. You are saying right because her like the ladies who had tied his hand, the hand of a gentleman. So it is clearly showing that mother is stopping him.
Or we could the one thing I could suggest is maybe that it is very hot and summer outside, and while the boy is very stubborn to go out and play in the such a hot climate, maybe the mother is advising him to hold back for an hour and so, and then maybe go out.
Well, one character is also stand behind because behind a girl, I think age of 28 to 30. He's also watching from the behind. We should also include that girl in the story because.
Anjan, you're on mute. Of course.
Yes, I am agree with you because the girl heard their conversation from behind, and maybe the conversation will happen for the girl.
But doesn't the background image of that lady looks like very static and is kind of a painting in a room?
Oh, not painting. It's look like a live. I think
It is
a
live.
girl and some conversation is going between that woman and a boy about that girl, maybe.
maybe I am with you. I am agree with you. Yes.
In that case, maybe we can make the character relationship such a way that the main lady was the mother, and the lady behind the scenes was a sister of this man who had come from a school and has reported that few guys did not cooperate while she was trying to take her cycle out from the cycle stand in school, and his brother did not like the behavior and he wanted to go out and scold them, but his mother asked him to be polite, something like that.
Maybe the character become father and daughter. Mm. His father business was very badly, and he stopped her coaching for that reason, and the girl heard from behind this, and her mother convinced her father.
Just number one, you are saying right, because the male person may be the brother or the father of that girl, because he was in a very angry mood, maybe due to some
Angry,
reason.
yes.
That's why his mother, or you can say that wife, is pacified him, and
Yes.
that's why he has tied his hand, and she's stopping him.
I have one more opinion. Let us make this person as a brother of the girl who's standing behind. And since the recently half yearly results of 12th standard had come and his sister has not performed well, so he felt little angry and he wanted to scold his sister, but then her mother stopped him and asked her to be polite. So he understood her mother and he went to his sister and uh, talked very quietly and motivated her that it is fine to not do well in half yearly, but work further to do well in the board exams.
Yes,
Yeah,
I-
yeah, you are
yeah, you're right. I am agree with you.
because that girls couldn't score good marks in the 12th examination, and his father was saying that I have invested too much, no, my income is very low, but she got very low marks in the exam. But her mother is saying that
Examination, yes.
don't worry, she will do work hard, and again she will secure the good marks.
Yes, and
Yes.
apart from investment of money and time and emotions, let us also include that he being elder and has gone through all such selection and competitive exam process, he knew the criticality and importance of these exams, and not doing
Yes.
well and being prepared could have impacted her future. So, and hence he felt such an urge to confront her sister, but he understood and behaved politely.
Yeah, that girl will also come to his father and was saying that, and she was regretting that. She was saying that I will do work hard and I will. After that, the climate, the environment of the home was cool and everything was okay, and that girls again did work hard and brought the good numbers in the examination.
And apart from that, we can also add that since this brother, apart from talking, he also decided to take time every day, 1 hour in the evening from his office hour, and he himself started helping her sister and started teaching her. And this actually helped her sister and motivated her to grasp the concepts and
For
to
our, yeah.
So, gentlemen, the common story that just number is that the person is the brother of that girl, and his mother, and we can make a story on that common
yes.
story that
Common story.
Subhash was the boy of man of 30 years, and he had a sister of 15 years
Yes.
who was
15
studying in the
years,
12th
yes.
class, and his mother of his 50 years, and his sister brought low marks in the 10+2, and he was very angry on her due to low marks, and his mother suggested him that you should not took hand on your sister because she is younger, and he convinced with his mother, and he also
we can also we can also say, rather than hands, I mean, we can say no brother usually beats a sister. So we can rather say that he was about to talk to her in a strict manner, which her mother stopped him to do, and told that your sister will get hurt, but just be polite in talk.
yeah, and he also supported to his sister daily in his study, and as a friend, he motivated him for her studies. And after 1 year, she again gave the examination of 10+2 and secured a good marks. And Subhash had proud on her sister.
Yes.
Okay, right. Now let's come back to what do you think? Now let's start with the first and foremost, Anjan. Anjan has not, first is Anjan's story is what? There is a financial crisis in the family. As a result, his daughters, the girl's father cannot afford to pay for the tuition. And they want to stop the education. Okay. This is the story. Is it a positive story? First and foremost, totally a negative story. From where did you get this environment? Why this negativity? Where's the need for it? What did you find the solution? No solution has been found out. Who is the hero? Girl is the hero. Girl is the hero.
Yes, sir.
Even at best, it's the father, because who stops the education of the girl?
Yes, sir.
From there, it is said you are still 22 and your father is of age. So your hero should be of your same age and sex, which is not available. So the totally this story itself is a killing story. You will not go through anything beyond this. That's wrong. Now let's come back to Sanjeev. Sanjeev has talked about it, that he has got 3 sisters to be married, and his father wants to marry the youngest sister, which is available, isn't it? Now, youngest sister getting married, it indicates, and he's the hero is not interested. He wants to convince his father, that sister has got, let her complete her study, then only we can afford to get her married. Right. Now, who is the hero again? What is his job? Is the action of the hero? Except for convincing, he does nothing. No action has been taken. None of the 15 qualities ever emerge. Only one action is that he is trying to convince his father that he should not marry the girl, let her pursue her study. Once she has studied, only then she should be married. He could afford to narrate his story in just about, say, 30, 45 seconds of time. 15 seconds of time it was given, that is wasted out. Now let's come back to Arun's story. Arun is talking about a drunken man coming back inside. What I indicate? Either the enjoys are not so good, He enjoys the company of people who are together, maybe beer, maybe any, what would be the case. That indicates a wrong company. That indicates a totally a wrong company. And all 3 of you, while discussing around there, Anjan never hardly there has been any participation of Anjan. Both and Arun, you have removed away from your story and you have talked in different type. Arun has all been throwing out ideas one after another. Sometimes, being harsh on a girl. Sometimes we should not be harsh. Let's think about his mother telling him you should not be harsh on to both the person who is drunk, or even to the sister. That indicates you are the person who has got no control on your own emotions. You will take time to control your emotion. As a result, now all 3 of you are based upon the story itself get totally in the story itself. You cannot go beyond it. Now, when you come back to the story that you people find you have generated, you want a girl who has not done well in 10th round there, and a person, his brother is trying to help her around there. Which qualities emerge? Can't it be basically a good story when you can think of some good heroes, good actions. Your 15 qualities will emerge. There's no use having this sort of story and this sort of discussion. If you have it, you have time and effort. Any doubt, any question? Arun, tell me any question. You cannot, you have been there in SSP almost 9 times, and Arun, I cannot afford to expect that you have written this story and you can pass through. No person on the earth will ever pass you. Anjan, firstly, your story was very poor. Participate. I told you it is a fish market. You ought to participate. Sanjeev tried to participate. His story itself was so fickle, so low, that he couldn't afford to find ways and means. Understand, gentlemen, you have to fight for your own story. No story is wrong, no story is right. No story right. You must try and endeavor, and you should be logical. None of you have ever been logical. Yes, at times that when Sanjeev has come back and saying now mother is behind or she's going to boy is in a violent mood, he's angry. That is time to say you don't get to understand. You have to be logical enough to come back, look at the positivity of a story. You cannot afford to allow this to happen. With this total washout, no way you can make it.
Sir, what in your opinion could have been the points or the story plot around this picture wherein
you have to think about, as I said, I maintain very simple. I never tell any student what should your thing. You have to improve your thought process. That's the reason I have told you around there what is personality, what is personality theory. Until you have to change your thought process. What is personality? The way we think, feel, act, and behave. Until your thought process itself is right, why this sense of a drunk man has come into play? Why so? Because that indicates your environment, that you are involved in it. That's basically the problem. You don't enjoy good company. They are not fair. The one story is sufficient sampling of mind. Sanjeev is concerned, he's more bothered. It's a personal affair. Story is totally personal. Nothing, no, there's none of the 15 qualities ever emerge. We will talk slightly later on as we proceed. What is that they call self-centered role, group task role, group building role. That's how the role which you have taken a group. Okay, so that is what. So we'll stop at this. Any doubt?